Yes, today it's raining. Yesterday was cold, so this is going to get well. Icy road and always bringing my dog out for this. This is usual now. Very slippery. I was driving up the road some hours ago and it's very, very, very slippery, even with four-wheel drive. And some snow machine or something is taking away on the other side. And the dog went down somewhere there. This is Skjerstad in January, north of the Arctic. Rain, snow, sun, rain, snow, sun. Everything is going on. Always like this. But it's okay. Summer is coming soon. Bye bye.